Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, Senators, AB63 from Assemblymember Frazier extends the provisional licensing period for California drivers from its current age of 16 through 18 to age 16 through 21. Members, it is generally acknowledged that young drivers are a materially higher risk and are more likely to be involved in accidents. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of death amongst young drivers. AB 63 strives to improve traffic safety and reduce the number of accidents among young drivers by extending the provisional licensing period for young drivers to age 21, the age at which actuarial data shows a leveling off relative to other cohorts with respect to safety. While the Provisional Driver's License Program has reduced driver crash rates for younger teens since it was established, data shows that older teens who earn their driver's licenses without participating in it are still at risk. According to the Center on Disease Control and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, drivers who progress through a provisional licensing period experience 40 to 60% fewer vehicle crashes than those who wait until they're 18 to get their driver's license. Further, statistics from the National Center for Injury Prevention and Control show that older teen drivers between the ages of 18 and 20 in California's rural counties are twice as likely to die in a car crash as drivers of the same age in urban and suburban counties, who are more likely to have participated in the provisional license program. This bill does not impose new restrictions on first-time drivers, nor does it prohibit young drivers from driving to and from school or work. It will simply ensure that all teen drivers experience the safety benefits of the Provisional Driver's License Program as they join us on California's roads and highways. Further, there's been a bit of confusion on this bill. In expanding the GDL program to the age group between 18 and 21, this bill will impose driving restrictions up through age 21. But under its terms, when a driver between the ages of 18 and 21 receives his or her license, that young driver will be subject to first-time driver restrictions only for the first 12 months behind the wheel. Furthermore, in addition to allowing for a new licensee to drive to and from work and school, the bill also includes provisions for a young driver to transport immediate family with a signed note. Lastly, and in response to some of the questions I've been asked, the most recent version of this bill does exempt military personnel from the new provisions. Extending the provisional driver's license period in this manner is supported by the Governor's Highway Safety Association, as well as the California Strategic Highway Safety Plan, which is jointly prepared by CHP, DMV, Caltrans, the Office of Traffic Safety, and the Department of Public Health. AB 63 takes a measured, data-based approach to the policy goal of increased traffic safety while protecting our youngest and most vulnerable drivers. With that in mind, I respectfully ask for your aye vote.